onions. Oops. And I'm making this because all the restaurants are closed. And it's a special surprise for my mom and daddy. My mommy said she wants these kind of onions. If you see double onions like this, tell me. And if I take one of these, tell me, Keisha, break the onion. Do you know why? These yellows, they have two. See? They have two yellows. So if I accidentally get that, say, Keisha, you missed an onion that has two yellows. And then I'll break it apart. Just need to put this one there. You can even take bigger bunches and do that. Right now, let's continue building. Do you see a connected onion? Here? Thanks for reminding me. Boop. 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 The connected onions are good because they give you more onions. Right now, these onions are so big. I think I should put them in the big spots where we can actually put them. Right now, because it's full of onions, let's put a tiny bit of sauce. Because my mom doesn't make so much sauce. I'm only going to put a tiny bit of sauce. That much? Okay. The sauce makes it sticky for another bread to stick on. Yes. Guys, you also need to push in the middle or else the burger, it won't stay together. The sauce area, tell me to push and then I will push and then the burger will be ready. Push! One burger is ready on the way. Oops, this is our piece. Now you can make this one. You put in a patty, put in one of these normal ones. Which one do you think can fit in mine? This one? Okay, yes, see, that fits in mine. That fits very well, guys. There we go. For mine, I'm just gonna have some lettuce. So just put a little bit of lettuces. If it's brownish like that, tell me. Those ones are a little bit burned. Actually, not burned. They're raw too, lettuces. So, now, I do think we should put lettuces. I don't think so. If it away, I think I don't want any of the vegetables. I think I will have a little bit of sauce and then I'll put the vegetables. Yeah. When your hands are very oily from the chicken and those stuff and from the onions, it's very hard to open up your sauces. So that's why there's a good rule to make it easier. Just do this, guys. Open it one time. You get that, but flies can't come in because it's closed, but only fully closed. That's my trick when I have wet, liquidy hands and I can't open these kind of stuff. That's my favorite. And now let's squirt some on the hamburger. Oops. Oops. Wait, now we make this cool circle. One more. Oops. 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 And whoops. And oops. There we go. Isn't that a very funny safe face? But we're not going to actually, you can see, we're just going to cover it with. That's a whitey sauce. This sauce is very sticky and big. Now there's a lot of white sauces in there. We're just going to and scrub the dabba. Put the sauce away. Oh, guys! Sorry I forgot to do my chicken. There we go. Now, one bread. I forgot my lettuce. Does this look like a good one? Okay, yes. Add it on to my burger. I put in the sauce first, then the lettuces could stick poppy actually. Boop, boop. Yeah, a bit more. Is this a very good one? Super good. If I fold it, this leaf doesn't look that good, so let's put it back in. Foldy doldy doldy, foldy doldy doldy. Now yes of all, what's the last ingredient? Bread again! Thanks! And do you think we should put this bread? Okay. Boo! Uh-oh, the sauce is starting to eat. Boo! Let's wipe on another bread to make it whipped creamy. Some daisies. Nah, that's okay. It's grown so. Oops. This one burger? This is my burger. Right now, this burger, nobody likes this sauce, but the last burger will be with this sauce. You know what? Yes. But they get the stickies that we made for them. If I squeeze a tiny bit more hole. Guys, this whole sauce is very hard. I asked the grown-up for help. I still can't squirt it out. Let's try to keep it. That's the main trick to try and do. Yeah. So far, we did it. But I think that was a little bit. Let's see. More will come. I can just still have. But we did it so long. They get some actually chicken there. Let's put it in the sauce on it. Doopy doopy doo. Doopy doopy doo. And now, finally, let's put one more bread. And oh, we forgot the lettuces. Whoops. Here, you put some. Whoops. Hey, the one you took looks very splashy. Splash! You mean splashy big? Yes, add it. And now some very spicy pepper that nobody has in those sandwiches. That's the first pepper we put in, but just a tiny bit more. How will you only put one pepper? And they will say, where is my other pepper? And double. Is this one double onion? Oh, granny toast. They got 2 onions. Oops. Sauce. Wait a minute. We already put sauce at the bottom. That was drippy. Squish, squish. Move it away. It's a very sticky burger. It's very sticky burger. That's right.